So this is our ride for today, going to Phnom Penh. Alright, so we are the only passenger as of now. When they left the, what do you call it? So we are going to Phnom Penh. It's 8:21 in the morning. We were supposed to leave Siem Reap at 7:30, but there are miscommunications, or the pickup in our hotel was late. So these are the circumstances that you can't avoid at times, especially when you are in a foreign country. But nonetheless, we're on the road, and travel time from Siem Reap to Phnom Penh is about 5.5 hours. So let's see. We are leaving here at 8:22, so that's still my home time, and it's normally 1 hour later, or 1 hour delayed from this one. Alright, so I think the van is going to pick up some more customers in this area. But the good thing is, aircon is good, although the door is a bit squeaky. It's a bit squeaky. Alright, so this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15-seater van. So you have the option to, number 1, to take the bus going to Phnom Penh. Number 2, to take this kind of vehicle, or they call it the minivan. And cost is a bit higher. Our fare going to Phnom Penh from Siem Reap is $13 per person. If you take the bus, that's $11. So there's a difference of $2. So if you're going to take the ride, we would suggest Hapinoy travelers to take the minivan. Number 1, it's more comfortable. Number 2, there are lesser passengers. So this is the bus station, you can see. So no pickup passenger here. So we're still just the passenger in this van. So far so good. Hopefully this goes a long way until Phnom Penh. So if you take the bus, time travel is about 6.5 hours, right? 6.5 hours. But if you take the minivan, that's about 5.5 hours. Alright, so we'll keep you posted on our whereabouts. And they told us that they're going to be two stopover, wee stopover and food stopover. Alright, Hapinoy travelers, join us. If you're not yet subscribed, click the subscription button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, so you'll be updated when we have new posts as we travel and search the world, being Hapinoy travelers. Hey, so this is our first stop over here in our road trip going to Phnom Penh from Siem Reap. This is the first stop over, and you can see there is a carinderia, or a food shop that is located along the road, and most commonly this is a stopover for most travelers, especially in a van or a bus. So there are fruits, there are restrooms, so these are your food.
Fried chicken.
So Choices. There are many choices, but we opted to get 2 viands and a couple of rice. As we're going to see, there's a fried chicken, fish, rice, and watch out what we ate. Look guys, this is like an adobo. May itlog. And this is pork. Okay naman siya, masarap. Pwede. Ang challenge lang dito is the language barrier. Medyo hindi kayo magkaintindihan, kaya turo-turo. So this is your view from the van as we travel along the Siem Reap road going to Phnom Penh. And surprise, we are now here in the capital of Cambodia, which is Phnom Penh. As you can see, there's so much difference in terms of the structures that are built, and the roads are wider, more modern. Ganda ng sky. And let's get some more clips so that you can appreciate how different it is from the rural side of Cambodia. Now you're going into the city. As you can see, there are more buildings here, taller buildings in that case. And there are many developments in this area. You can see the future development of Cambodia. There are buildings, condominiums that are going to rise very soon. So there's still the motorcycle, your usual motorcycle, the most common mode of transportation here. Then you have a roundabout with a very nice statue, very nice artistic work. And again, there are many buildings that are ongoing construction in this area. So these are some of the sites that you are going to see. And today is a lovely day, sunny day. Good. It was a good day for travel. So guys, do join us as we explore Phnom Penh. We are now in the city, and we're going to one of the sites that you should not miss when you're here in Phnom Penh. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do hit the subscription button and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So join us, Hapinoy travelers. Explore the world.